In this session, we'll cover basic PubMed searching and build on the session before where we spoke about framing your research question and breaking your question down into concepts. You'll notice that I'm at pubmed.gov and here's my search box. What I want to think about are the categories and keywords that we derive from the PICO model that we spoke about before. So the population, if you recall, for our question, going back to the question, that was, do school gardening programs have an impact or positive impact on child nutrition? The population was children, so I'll go ahead and enter that as my first keyword. The intervention was school gardens, and the comparator was a lack of school gardens, and because school gardens is something we're already searching on, we really don't need to include that as well. The outcome was positive nutrition. I think it's going to be sufficient just to go ahead and search on the word nutrition. And if you do make spelling mistakes, PubMed will offer suggestions for you and even correct them for you. So I've got children, school gardens, and nutrition. And I can enter all those terms into the search box. In its simplest way, PubMed will allow you to just go ahead and click search, and it will run a search for you and find citations to articles that meet the criteria of these search terms. You'll notice that there are 34 articles that were retrieved, and if we start scrolling down, we can begin to look at the titles of some of these articles. Um, I'm just going to slowly scroll through here, and you'll notice that number 5 here, a study protocol, can a school gardening intervention improve children's diets? This actually looks very much relevant to me, and this is an indication that what we've done has had some level of success. So I'm going to stop here for this module, and you'll notice that the word diets appears even though we search for nutrition. This might be a hint into something we're going to talk about in a future module on sort of expanding your search terms.